What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm giving you all an update on EazyBot. Yeah, you guys know a couple weeks ago, I introduced EazyBot to you. I love EazyBot for a lot of reasons. But guys, I have even more reasons to love EazyBot right now, and I'm about to update you all on that in this video. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get right into it. It is August. It is an awesome August. It's an August of acceleration for those who are ready to get focused, right? That's what I'm declaring for everybody that's in my community, okay? Now, I want to tell you guys, EazyBot is going to make some incredible things happen for a lot of people. I love what it has to offer. First of all, you get to take advantage of this artificial intelligence software that's going to trade in the cryptocurrency space and help you earn profit on autopilot without you having to send your crypto to anyone else. It remains in your exchange. They have a free option. I mean, just so many incredible things. Now, I want to let you know right up front, this is not going to be one of those things that gets incredible high returns, right? It's not that type of program, but it's going to get you returns, consistent returns, and I like the way it performs, okay? So guys, if you like consistent returns, this is something that you definitely want to take a look into if you haven't done so already. Now, I will let you guys know this company has an option called Founders Club, which I believe is amazing, and I think we need to have a lot of people shooting for Founders Club. Now, in this video, I'm going to go into what Founders Club is and what you need to do to qualify. But first, let me go ahead and just talk to you about this. Now, you guys know I told you that EazyBot has a free option. Let me switch over to the screen really quick. Here are the packages and the options, just in case you guys were wondering. There is a free option where you can get started. You don't have to pay anything up front. You can go ahead and sign up. Use my link if you're learning about EazyBot through my videos and my community directly from me. Then you can go ahead and use my link that will be in the description, and I will pin it in the first comment, okay? So you want to go ahead and sign up, and then you can use the bot without having to pay anything up front. There's just a 30% software service fee per trade, right? So that's all you have to worry about. You don't have to worry about paying anything else if you choose the free option. With the free option, you're going to be able to choose up to 2 coins that you want to trade with. You can connect 1 exchange with this. You get access to the one-click strategy. The guides and tutorials that are in the back office are available to you, and you get to earn as an affiliate with this. And there's a professional marketing app that you can take advantage of. The things that you don't get with the free is that you don't get all the flexibility that the advanced and the VIP options offer, okay? Now, advanced is $250. It's going to reduce your software service fee per trade to 20% instead of 30%. Now, you'll be able to trade on up to 10 coins with the advanced option. The number of exchanges is going to be up to 2, so you would get increased there, and everything else remains the same. Now, the top option is going to be VIP. Now, this is the option that I'm on. If you're going to shoot for founder, this is the option that you will need to be on as well. So the VIP, you're going to have software service fees per trade is going to be 20%. You can trade on you have all the coins available for you. And then you can connect up to 5 exchanges with this, and you're going to have the ability to have private one-on-one support calls, and you'll have the ability to qualify for Founders Club, okay? So let's talk about this Founders Club, because there is a promotion going on for August that I think we all can really take advantage of, right? So they did an additional promotion for August that if you hit Founders Club during the month of August, you're going to get an additional $250 bonus on top of whatever other earnings and commissions that you receive. Plus, the person who referred you is going to get a $100 bonus as well. So that is absolutely incredible. I think we should really run for this and take advantage of this. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the qualification for Founders, or what is Founders Club? Well, Founders Club is a phenomenal thing because it allows you to participate in a pool of 5% of the total revenue of the company. The company is setting aside 5% of its total revenue right? This is going to be incredible because this thing is going to grow huge, right? So 5% of the total revenue is going to be set aside for founding members to share. Right now, we have about 67 founding members. There is a cap on the founding members, which is at 1,000. So once they hit 1,000, there will be no more. What that's going to make sure is that the bonus pool does not get watered down. As a matter of fact, it's going to make it more concentrated because there's only going to be 1,000 people that's capped. So as the revenue continues to grow, that pool is going to grow, and the more and more that you'll be able to participate in from the gross revenue of the company if you are a founding member. So that is absolutely incredible. This company, I believe, is going to go big places because people are looking for something like this. People like the way that this thing performs. They love it, right? So I believe that this company is going to do a lot of revenue. So you want to be a founding member if you're that type of go-getter, right? Now, here's what it takes to qualify to be a founding member. First of all, you have to have the VIP package, the $9.95 annual package. You do have to have that. Here's the second thing. In your account, you need to be trading at least $600, right? So $600 trading on at least one coin is required for you to become a founding member. Now, after you do that, what you need to do is to refer 3 people, right? That refer 3 people, right? You need to have that done. You need to refer 3 people who refer 3 people. Now, each one of the 3 people that you refer, they need to have a active bot, right? And it needs to be a paid membership. So it could either be advanced or VIP. Doesn't matter which one, but it needs to be one of them. And they need to be trading on at least $600 on one coin. Now, the 3 people they refer, same qualifications. They need to be at least advanced or VIP, and they need to be trading on $600. Once you complete that, you're a Founders Club member, right? So being a Founders Club member, remember that 5% founders bonus is absolutely amazing. This is going to be some incredible income for a lot of people, and we have the opportunity to really get there. Once again, I said it caps out at 1,000, right? So you want to go ahead and run towards that. I was doing some research, and I think there's about 9,000 members in the company right now. We're at the very beginning stages, so you have the ability to get in early and really make this happen, right? So guys, imagine a year from now, and this company has 30,000 or 100,000 members, right? How much revenue is going to be coming through the company? What if you're one of the founding members and you're participating in that 5% pool of the revenue? So that is incredible. You want to get into this and really make this happen, right? So I'm excited about this, guys. It's an extra $250 you can put in your pockets if you decide to go ahead and go for it and you qualify for founders during the month of August. This promotion expires August 31st. So we have 30 days to really take advantage of this and make this happen. Okay. So here's what I said. I think we could do 30 people. I'm going founder, and I think we can get 30 other people, 30 and 30. What do you guys think, right? 30 and 30. Let's do 30 founding members on Team Phenomenal in the next 30 days during August. I want 30 people to get this extra $250 bonus. I want 30 people to go ahead and get qualified for Founders Club in August. Let's be one of the fastest growing teams in the company, guys. We got the ability to set a precedent in the company right now and really become legendary, right? Because I think we're all legends here. I think we have one of the best teams in the passive crypto space. So I'm excited to see exactly what we can do. I have a Telegram group. So if you're ready, make sure you join the Telegram group. Reach out to me. Let me know you're ready to run. If you're ready to run, I have some promotions that I'm going to be doing to help us get there, to help us make sure that we get all the people in place to hit this Founders Club promotion, okay? So let's do that, guys. Let's run it all the way up. I'm excited for everybody that's going to get here, right? Everybody that's going to be one of the 30. I'm excited about everybody that's going to be earning profit from the bot in general, right? So, guys, let's do that. Let's make it happen. Let's do some absolutely incredible things. Let's take this industry, this company, and this space by storm. All right. As always, guys, you know exactly what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We're only going to invest what we are willing to lose. But you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out.